Hi folks, today in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a common internal tangent to two unequal circles. So let's draw the unequal circle. So all you need to do is just draw two circles that are unequal, whose radii are not equal. So let's have that. These two circles, they don't have equal radii, their radii are not equal. So okay, I guess that wasn't too bad. So we have the center here. Good. So here we go. Now let me draw the next circle. So this is a smaller circle. Let's draw the smaller circle. So the reason for this is that the circles are unequal. So that was the bigger circle we drew. Now I'm drawing the smaller circle. Now the next stage is to join the centers of the circle A and B. Let me draw the center. This should be A and this should be B. Let me join the centers and let's call them A and B. Now the next stage is to mark DE equals to CB. So I'll mark DE. So where does DE start? Now DE should be from this point to inside the circle. So DE, let's mark DE equals to CB. And that CB should be the radius of the smaller circle. So let's mark it DE. So this is CB. Open your radius to CB. So it's already in the radius. So let's pick a point D on the circle. So let's mark DE outside, not inside. So in the previous video on external tangents, we marked it inside, but this time we're marking the radius of the smaller circle outside the bigger circle. Now with center A and radius AE, draw an arc. So with center A and radius AE. Now this is DE, right? So this will be E. It's radius AE. So I'm going to draw an arc. Let's draw an arc upwards. So we'll have an arc here. Then the next step is construct a semicircle on AB that we cut the previous arc at F. So construct a semicircle on AB that will cut the previous arc at F. Let me draw a semicircle on AB. So open your compass, put at B, or put your compass to more than half of the radius of the circle, of the distance of the circle rather. Then you do likewise for the second point. So this line passes through these two intersectors. There we go. So then we have the midpoint. So our semicircle will pass through that midpoint. So this is the midpoint here. So and then open it to A. Then you draw your semicircle. Now what we need is this point where the semicircle touches this previous arc. So this is the point where they cross this intersection. Now the next step is to draw a line AF. So this is F, the point of intersection. So I'll draw a line AF here. And that line AF will touch the big circle at G. Let's call it G. So finally, at the end of the day, we'll draw BH parallel to AG. So BH will be inside the smaller circle. So and let's draw a line parallel to this line. So here we go. Line BH. So here we go. Let's do that. Parallel to. So finally, we go. Good. Then the next step is to just join G to H. So this is H. Join G to H. So this is the point G here, and then this is the point H here. So join G to H. Simple. So now this line will be the common internal tangent to two unequal circles. So thanks for watching.